My name is Philip, a guider MMM in Mombasa. Today on 10th June, we are here at Dancourt Hotel. We are going to hold a meeting of MMM. We are going to teach our people on the ideology of MMM and how they are supposed to take part in it and benefit. This day we are expecting a lot of people to come, and we are going to facilitate in their teaching and educating them on how MMM works. So many people have benefited in Mombasa, and so far we have seen very many people coming to join us. Those who have already registered and they are taking part, they are participants. New ones are also joining from the evidence of others. All of you, I would like to welcome you to this meeting. Join me as we change this world financially together.
They'll be regretting. Watasema kwa nini hatuku join. You see, MMM is a very stable community. Unlike these other heights, they're there, investments are there online. But trust me, and believe me, I have a friend just last week, alikuwa ameingia kwa another investment, and he was really proud about it. Lakini ole wake akaja juzi akaniambia, do you know what? That website is no longer there. Yes, aliweka pesa ngapi? 100k. Imeingia maji. But in MMM, there are no losers. So if you are here, you are in the right place. So that's why we say that MMM Kenya, in MMM we change people's lives. In Kenya since 2015. Ilipoingia Kenya through South Africa. Now, wajua ukiwa MC saa zingine kuongea wali tamu, lakini naomba nisiongee sana. Let me call mwenye hii mkutano, one and only one, Manager Philip Muchoki. Welcome. Let's give him a clap.
Thank you very much. Nashukuru sana. Najua naona hii pesa mpaka nashindwa nitaongea juu ya hii ama
Utachukua.
Ama nitachukua niende naye. Yes. Haya, but kitu ya kwanza nitaka kuwashukuru kwa kuja. Umefanya jambo la maana sana kwa maisha yako kwa kuwa hapa leo. If it is your first time, you have done the right decision. You are in the right place and you will never regret in your life. You will benefit a lot. Those who have joined, those who are members and they are participating, they are really enjoying. So I welcome you and feel relaxed and enjoy the presentations which are going to be there. Na mimi nitaanza na ideology ya MMM. And I would like to start by saying it is not a pyramid. You know what pyramids are? When we talk about a pyramid, this is where people benefit from others. Ukianza pyramid, kama saa hii leo nikianza pyramid yangu, hakuna siku utanifikia, because I am the one who is on top and will continue benefiting. So we have MMM is not a pyramid scheme. It is very unique, and we don't have a central account where money is stored. So we don't have any account where we store money. So we have MMM uses exactly the same principle as the one of the banks, whereby the banks, the work of the bank is to bring money together, then people will bring, others will take, and we have the difference between MMM and financial institutions is that MMM is about giving help and receiving help. You know, with the bank, there is no interaction between the giver and the receiver. But with the MMM, we have people who are honest, and absolutely we always make sure that we are open to one another, and we also have responsibility of what we are doing. So this is not a Ponzi scheme. So where we have a Ponzi scheme is where you have people having to put money in one central account, which is operated by one person who decides who is to benefit and who is not to benefit. But in MMM, the principle is peer-to-peer donation. If we help one another, one person provides help, the other one receives help. So MMM is just a software which facilitates that peer-to-peer donation. So MMM has grown for using that because it helps to connect the participant. When you need help, the MMM will connect you to the person who is going to give you that help. Now, what is MMM? In fact, this morning I was asked, when I wore this t-shirt, my daughter asked me, what is MMM? Then I was thinking, well, then we also use another one. We can also use money box. Yeah, money box. This is an improvement one. Improved one. So so this is a network where people donate money. When you donate, you provide help. When you want to get money from other people, you get help. We use the principles of PH and GH. PH is when you provide help. GH is when you get the help. Good. So so we have said that this is not a company. In fact, there is nowhere. Somebody will ask, hii kampuni iko registered wapi? Hii kampuni iko wapi? Iko wapi? No, we are not a company. So there is nowhere you're going to find a building where MMM and Limited and all that. No, but it is a connection between people from one place to another, and it has millions. You can imagine, the members are in terms of 229, I think.
It's over 30.
230 million members, and we are not a company. We are not a financial institution. It is just help one another, and you are willing to participate. It is willingness of people to be able to help one another. So we have, there is no law in the country, in any country, which can be able to prevent MMM, because donation in any country is free. In fact, if you want to donate your money to anybody, it is free and it is even encouraged. So ours, we are using the principle of donation and sharing what we have. Very good. So, so who are we? MMM. We are very powerful givers. In fact, when you join and when you start participating, the first thing, you must provide help. You must give the first donation. That is when you say that now you are, people say, I'm a member and a participant. You can be a member and not participating. You participate when you start donating. So we have a few have tried to to imitate MMM, but they have never succeeded. That's why we are the biggest, the largest donation exchange network in the world. In fact, with MMM, there is no other like it. It has more than now, it has exceeded 230 million members all over the world. Now, I have been in very many funny things where we try to make money. But where we went wrong is that every time somebody is the one who is giving us the money. Huh? So you put money together, then somebody is giving you. That is where we say that we have a central account. MMM does not have a central account. So nobody can say that we have stopped the donation and all that, or any country which can do that. No, because we don't have any central account. Our money moves from one participant to another. So if I want to donate money, I will not put it in central bank or in KCB, then you go and withdraw it from there, or somebody to withdraw it for you so that they can give you. No, I will send the money directly to you from one person to another. That's why we say there's a peer-to-peer system where people send money directly to one another. You can't imagine that this thing started in 1994. I don't want to imagine some of you where you are, but 1994, that is when it started. It was started by Mavrodi, he's Russian, and this guy, when you go to the Gaida school, wakati tunasoma juu ya huyu jamaa, that is when I realized how sharp this guy was. You know, they were doing the same programs with Bill Gates, making softwares and all that. But in the process, he realized that there is something which is happening. Russia was a superpower. Yes. But very few people had a lot of money, and very many people were very poor. This is when this guy started thinking, now, how can I empower these very poor people so that they can also be able to come up? So he started MMM in 1989. It was like a cooperative, it was like an organization. So it was even able to join the stock exchange, like Nairobi Stock Exchange. Kulikuwanga na shares za MMM, if you don't know. So they